to the moon and back. And then I'm gonna do this shit over here, it's like a heart attack. The way I do this shit, you can't even tell me nothing, because I'm gonna do this shit over here. You know I stay, I'm never gonna stop. Every single day over here I'm not smoking pot, because I quit that shit the other fucking day, so I can get a job and start making pay. I wanna see my mom have a new house. I wanna buy her a car and my sister some blouses, cause she's fucking fat and needs some new ones. I'm just playing over here. You're cute, hun. I love you because you're my little fucking sister. And all these motherfuckers over here, they're gonna get dissed, cause they wanna come up in this shit and try dissing me, but I took their heads off. It's not physically, mentally I'm challenging everybody, but you can't even tell me nothing. I'm fucking clear, and every time I spit it, it's like the devil's near. You can see him in my eyes. It's despised when I get up and then I rhyme, and I ain't never gonna stop until the end of time. You know my name is damn bitch. I ain't never gonna stop until the last day. I don't know what to rap about.